Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2008 Toyota Prius. Now this just came in on trade. Adam made a Facebook post saying, showing the customer in their new car. And I said, Adam, can I drive the Prius? And he said, sure. So here we are. Just under 200,000 miles on this. While this is not the first gen Prius, it is likely the one that everybody knows. Oh, that's actually a good storage cubby. So this is the car that I think all car enthusiasts absolutely hate. Or love to hate. And I really don't see why. This thing's kind of cool. It's fun to drive. It has a backup camera and a... Forgot they did that. So there's that, and then you have B for... Oh, because I'm in neutral. Haha. You have to go into drive and then into B. Aha. Essentially braking and battery charge. And here we go. Woohoo, little Prius. And you watch, this video is going to be one of my most popular videos because everybody knows the Prius. You know, honestly, this thing isn't as bad as everybody makes it seem. Yeah, it's a Prius, whatever. It's actually kind of comfortable on the highway, I hate to say it. Visibility is spectacular. I'm sat up like an SUV. Go baby go. A little wind noise. It's okay. All right, little Prius, let's go. $60. Not bad. I wasn't floored that whole time. This thing has 200,000 miles. I'm not gonna beat the snot out of it. There's no point to it. As much as I thought it was weird growing up, I was 8 years old when this car was new. As much as I thought it was weird, the no instrument cluster right here is actually pretty cool. And I just look straight down and I see my speed. So it's actually pretty cool. And it's set so far away that you feel like you have a lot more room than you actually do. And here I am cruising, getting 99.9 miles per gallon. Yeah, no, I'm coasting. But I'm seeing like 60, 45. Matter of fact, I had a 3rd gen Prius, or the facelifted version of this. And in Florida, I put like 300 miles on the thing, and I paid 15 bucks in gas. Keep in mind, this was a couple years ago where gas was stupid cheap. But I put like 5 gallons in the thing. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. In fact, there's actually, these cars are gonna go down in history for various reasons. But this kind of started the hybrid craze. This, the first gen of this, the Insight, all stuff like that. Even the GM EV1, if any of you remember that thing. These started the current hybridization that we have. They're gonna go down in history for various reasons, you know, other than people hating them for, God, oh, it's electric, oh. Now we have the Pininfarina Battista, and that blows the socks off of everything. But there's one of these out there, and I've seen it in person at the New York Auto Show, with a Hellcat V8 in it. There's a lot of pretty interesting, and dare I say cool builds of Prii out there. It's one of those cars that I think Adam was questioning why on earth I wanted to drive it, and a lot of you were probably saying, why did I go out of my way on a day off to go to his place to drive a Prius? I just wanted to see, you know, growing up, this was the car that I was like, oh, you're gonna get a Prius. This was the playground insult joke in second grade, where it's like, yeah, you're gonna grow up and buy a Prius. Even Jeff Dunham has a joke about this. Has been the running joke of the car community, almost like the Yugo. So at this point, I wanted to try it. Just thinking in my head, it can't be that. It really isn't. It's a decent car to drive. It's not a Corvette. It's nothing like that. But I can't find anything that I'm like, this is stupid. It functions. This thing has 200,000 miles on it, and it's still running in true Toyota fashion. What can I say? It's a Prius. I hope you guys got a good laugh out of this one. I should save this for April Fools, but that's a ways away. Beep, 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 beep. I'm not even gonna try to get centered. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.